Grammar test on parts of speech. This lesson will test how well you know your English lessons, particularly the parts of speech. But before we will start the test, let's recall different parts of speech. The different parts of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition, interjection. Are you ready to take the test? Let's begin. The series of questions will test how well you know your English lessons, particularly the parts of speech. Quiz number 1. Identify what part of speech is the underlined word in each sentence. Number 1. Aha! I caught you sleeping. Number 2. Melinda bought a new pair of shoes. Number 3. This English book belongs to me. Number 4. I found my lost coin under my bed. Number 5. Tony is the tallest boy in his class. Number 6. Bernie arrives early for his online class. Number 7. My teacher gave me assignment in English. Number 8. Mara wants to rest for she is tired. Let's check your answer. 1. Interjection. 2. Verb. 3. Pronoun. 4. Preposition. 5. Adjective. 6. Adverb. 7. Noun. 8. Conjunction. Quiz number 2. Identify what part of speech is the underlined word in each sentence. Are you ready to take the test? Let's begin. Number 1. Anna and Melissa are twin sisters. Number 2. The ballet dancers move gracefully. Number 3. She is the youngest student in the class. Number 4. Vanessa helps me answer my assignment. Number 5. Romeo and Mary live across Rizal Avenue. Number 6. The cars in the showroom are all expensive. Number 7. My younger brother fixed his broken laptop. Number 8. I slept early last night because I was very tired. Number 9. Congratulations. You finally finished all your lessons. Number 10. You must turn your video on during your online class. Let's check your answer. Number 1. Conjunction. Number 2. Adverb. Number 3. Pronoun. Number 4. Verb. Number 5. Preposition. Number 6. Adjective. Number 7. Verb. Number 8. Adverb. Number 9. Interjection. Number 10. Noun. How is your test? Is it easy for you? If you score perfect 10, it means you know parts of speech so well. If you score 9 to 7, you are doing well. If you score 6 to 5, you have to review your lesson. If you score 4 below, you need to spend more time studying. Do you like this video? If you do, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.